Galaxies Top 10. Most in universe, this space. Experience will blow your mind, let's reveal. 10 galaxies and smash that subscribe button. First on our cosmic journey is the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31. This stunning spiral galaxy is our closest major galactic neighbor, located just 2.5 million light-years from Earth. When you gaze up at the night sky and spot that faint, misty patch, you're actually seeing Andromeda, a galaxy so vast, it stretches over 220,000 light-years across, making it even larger than our own Milky Way. Andromeda is home to an estimated 1 trillion stars, more than double the number in the Milky Way. Some of these stars are ancient, shining for billions of years, while others are just being born in vast clouds of gas and dust. The light we see from Andromeda tonight actually left the galaxy long before humans even existed, making it a true time capsule from the distant past. But Andromeda isn't just a distant beauty in the sky, it's actually on a slow-motion collision course with our own galaxy. Both galaxies are being pulled together by gravity at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. This cosmic dance is inevitable, and astronomers have mapped out the future of this galactic encounter. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will begin to merge in a spectacular gravitational ballet. Stars from both galaxies will be thrown into new orbits, but the vast distances between them mean that actual star collisions will be rare. Instead, the galaxies will swirl around each other, their shapes distorting and stretching as they combine. Eventually, after millions of years, the two galaxies will settle into a single, enormous elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have even given this future galaxy a name, Milkomeda. It will be a cosmic blend of stars, gas, and dust from both the Milky Way and Andromeda, marking a new chapter in the history of our universe. The universe is always in motion, with galaxies constantly interacting, merging, and evolving. Andromeda's story is just one example of the grand, ever-changing tapestry of the cosmos, a reminder that even the most majestic neighbors are part of a much larger, dynamic universe. Second, let's turn inward to our own Milky Way. Every star you see at night is part of this vast barred spiral galaxy, stretching 100,000 light-years across. Our solar system sits in the Orion Arm, a quiet suburb far from the chaotic galactic core. The Milky Way is home to hundreds of billions of stars, and likely as many planets. At its heart lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with the mass of 4 million suns. We can't see it directly, but its gravity shapes the orbits of nearby stars. Mapping our galaxy is like trying to chart a forest from within, but each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The Milky Way is not just our home. It's a realm of endless possibilities. Its structure, history, and mysteries are deeply tied to our own existence. Studying it is a journey of self-discovery on a cosmic scale. We are part of this grand galactic story. Third is the Sombrero Galaxy, Messier 104, about 30 million light-years away in Virgo. Its striking, edge-on profile and bright central bulge make it look like a cosmic hat. The brilliant white core is packed with old stars, while a dark dust lane forms the brim. This galaxy is a hybrid, part spiral, part elliptical, hinting at a violent past. Astronomers believe the Sombrero is the result of a merger between a giant elliptical and a smaller spiral galaxy. The disk survived, creating the unique structure we see today. The Sombrero is more than a pretty face. It's a beautiful scar from an ancient act of galactic cannibalism. Its unusual features make it a favorite for astronomers and astrophotographers alike. Every glance at the Sombrero is a look into the aftermath of cosmic collisions. It's a masterpiece shaped by violence and time. Fourth, meet the Whirlpool Galaxy, a classic spiral about 23 million light-years away. Its sweeping arms are stellar nurseries, glowing with the pink light of hydrogen gas and blue clusters of young stars. The Whirlpool's beauty is shaped by its companion, NGC 5E195, locked in a gravitational dance. This interaction has enhanced the Whirlpool's spiral arms, triggering waves of star formation. The smaller galaxy has even passed through the Whirlpool's disk, stirring up gas and dust. Together, they create a cosmic ballet. A perfect example of how galaxies shape each other. The Whirlpool is not just a static picture, but a dynamic, evolving system. It's a laboratory for studying galactic interactions and the birth of stars. Watching this pair is like seeing creation in slow motion. The universe is alive with movement and change. Fifth, Messier 87, at the heart of the Virgo cluster, is a giant elliptical galaxy with a hidden marvel, a supermassive black hole. In 2019, astronomers captured the first image of its event horizon. This black hole powers a jet of plasma thousands of light-years long. M87 is a cosmic engine where science fiction becomes reality. Sixth, let's visit the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy orbiting the Milky Way just 160,000 light-years away. The LMC is an irregular galaxy, a hotbed of star formation, and home to the spectacular Tarantula Nebula. This nebula is one of the most active star-forming regions in our local group. The LMC's chaotic appearance comes from massive clouds of gas and dust, stirred by the Milky Way's gravity. It's also a key to measuring cosmic distances. Henrietta Swan Leavitt's work here revolutionized astronomy. But the LMC's fate is sealed. It's slowly spiraling inward and will eventually be absorbed by the Milky Way. Its stars and gas will fuel new generations of stars in our galaxy. The LMC is both a nursery and a future building block for the Milky Way. It's a reminder that galaxies are always changing, merging, and evolving. Even the closest galaxies are part of a cosmic cycle. Seventh, Triangulum Galaxy, Messier 33, the third largest in our local group, about 3 million light-years away. Triangulum is a delicate spiral, lacking a central bulge and bar, with loosely wound, fluffy arms. It's a powerhouse of star formation, home to NGC 604, one of the largest stellar nurseries known. Triangulum's relationship with Andromeda is still debated. It may be on its first infile toward its massive neighbor. Its proximity lets astronomers study individual stars and star-forming regions in detail. Triangulum is a pure disk spiral, a perfect example for understanding how galaxies evolve without a central bulge. It's a galactic laboratory, close enough to reveal its secrets. Studying Triangulum helps us unlock the mysteries of spiral structure and star birth. It's a cosmic neighbor with a story all its own. Eighth, IC 1101, the giant at the heart of the Able 2029 cluster. IC 1101 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy, up to 4 million light-years across, 40 times the size of the Milky Way. It contains up to 100 trillion stars, making it one of the largest and most massive galaxies ever discovered. If it replaced our galaxy, it would swallow the Milky Way, Andromeda, and more. IC 1101 grew by devouring countless smaller galaxies over billions of years. Its diffuse halo is the shredded remains of its cosmic meals. This galaxy challenges our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve. It's a cosmic leviathan, a reminder of the universe's extremes. Studying IC 1101 helps us grasp the upper limits of galactic growth. In the universe, there's always something bigger. Ninth, the Cartwheel Galaxy, 500 million light-years away, looks like a cosmic bullseye. Its bizarre shape is the result of a head-on collision with a smaller galaxy. The impact sent a shockwave outward, creating a bright, star-forming outer ring 150,000 light-years across. This ring is temporary, a wave of stellar birth racing through the galaxy. The cartwheel is a rare snapshot of a galaxy in the aftermath of a high-speed collision. Over time, the ring will fade, and the galaxy's fate remains uncertain. Will it reform as a spiral, or settle into chaos? The cartwheel shows us the dramatic effects of galactic collisions. It's a cosmic ripple, frozen in time. 10th, the Pinwheel Galaxy, Messier 101, a textbook grand design spiral 21 million light-years away. Its well-defined arms are rich with star-forming regions and young, hot clusters, making it a celestial fireworks display. Over 3,000 stellar nurseries have been catalogued here. The pinwheel structure may be shaped by gravitational tugs from smaller companion galaxies. It's a favorite for astronomers and a laboratory for studying supernovae and spiral structure. The Pinwheel is a perfect blueprint for a spiral galaxy. Its beauty and complexity make it a fitting end to our tour. Looking at the Pinwheel is like seeing the universe's artistry on full display. It's a grand finale among cosmic wonders. Let's quickly recap. Our tour of the 10 incredible galaxies ends here, but the universe's wonders are endless. Each galaxy is a chapter in the cosmic story, revealing the diversity and grandeur of the universe. What are your thoughts about these galaxies?